Hey, car lovers! Are you ready to completely transform your ride from boring to absolutely amazing? Today, we're diving into the 21 best interior car accessories and gadgets you can grab right now on Amazon. These aren't just cool, they're game changers that'll make every drive safer, smarter, and way more enjoyable. And listen, I've dropped all the Amazon links down in the description below, so make sure you check them out. Each product is handpicked and ready for you to explore. Don't miss out on these incredible deals. Car 4K Dash Cam. First up, the Car 4K Dash Cam. This thing records everything in stunning 4K with incredible night vision. You get dual cameras covering both front and rear, plus live alerts and driver assistance features. Whether it's for insurance, safety, or just peace of mind, this dash cam is a must-have. Crystal clear footage when you need it most. RGB IC Car LED Light Kit. Next, the RGB IC Car LED Light Kit. Transform your interior with 16 million color options, controlled right from your phone. These strips sync with your music, they're waterproof, and installation is super easy. Want a chill vibe or a party atmosphere? You got it! Your car is about to look incredible! Drop Stop Seat Gap Filler. The Drop Stop Seat Gap Filler problem solved. No more phones, keys, or coins disappearing into that annoying gap. This patented neoprene filler blocks it completely, moves with your seat, and even has a built-in LED light. Simple, genius, and you'll wonder how you lived without it. Wireless Car Charger Mount. Say goodbye to cables with the Wireless Car Charger Mount. 10-watt fast charging, auto-clamping grip, and it works with all major phones. Mount it on your dash or vent for hands-free navigation while your phone charges. Convenience and safety in one sleek package. Mirror Dash Cam. The Mirror Dash Cam is next level. Replace your standard mirror with a smart widescreen display that records front and rear in full HD or even 4K. Split screen viewing, night vision, and a clearer view of everything around you. It's like upgrading your car to the future. Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner. Keep your ride spotless with the Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner. USB rechargeable, powerful suction, and it tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair like a champ. It's lightweight, has a blower mode, and a washable HEPA filter. Quick cleanups have never been easier. Gel Memory Foam Seat Cushion. Long drives? The Gel Memory Foam Seat Cushion is your answer. Gel-infused memory foam relieves pressure, adapts to your body, and improves posture. Say goodbye to discomfort and fatigue. Your back will seriously thank you. Car Fragrance Diffusers. Make every drive smell amazing with car fragrance diffusers. Compact, long-lasting, and they clip right to your vents. Eliminate odors and create a refreshing atmosphere. Choose your favorite scent and enjoy every journey. Car Air Purifier. Breathe cleaner air with the Car Air Purifier. HEPA filters and ionization technology reduce allergens, smoke, and odors. Perfect for allergy sufferers and anyone who wants a healthier cabin. Feel better, breathe better, drive better. Expandable Cup Holder Tray. Need more space? The expandable cup holder tray has you covered. Expands from your cup holder for snacks, gadgets, or extra drinks. It rotates and adjusts for perfect positioning. Instant organization that makes every drive easier. Custom Fit All-Weather Floor Mats. Protect your interior with custom fit all-weather floor mats. Custom designed for a perfect fit, these durable mats handle dirt, spills, and water in any season. Easy to wash and built to last. Keep your car looking pristine. Wireless Dash Mount Charger. Another winner wireless. The Wireless Dash Mount Charger. Fast Qi charging, universal grip, and automatic clamping keeps your phone secure. Mount it wherever you need for hands-free calls and navigation. Cable-free driving made simple. Heated Blanket for Car. Stay cozy with the Heated Blanket for Car. Plugs into your 12-volt outlet and provides instant warmth on cold drives. Perfect for winter commutes, emergencies, or keeping passengers comfortable. Cold weather driving just got way better. Anti-slip car dash grip pad. The anti-slip car dash grip pad keeps everything in place. Phones, sunglasses, keys, nothing slides around anymore. Washable, reusable, and works on any dash. Simple solution, huge difference. Car USB Galaxy Projector. Create magic with the Car USB Galaxy Projector, mesmerizing starry skies inside your car with just a USB connection. Perfect for late-night vibes or a relaxing atmosphere. Plug and play with adjustable angles. Your car just became the coolest place ever. LED cup holder coasters. Light up your ride with LED cup holder coasters. Color-changing LEDs, motion-activated, and rechargeable. They add serious style and visibility at night. Your cup holders never looked this awesome. Back seat headrest mount. Keep passengers entertained with the back seat headrest mount. Works with most tablets and smartphones. Easy to install and adjustable for perfect viewing. Road trips and long drives just got a whole lot better. Wireless CarPlay adapter. Upgrade your system with the wireless CarPlay adapter. Enable wireless CarPlay without plugging in your phone. Seamless navigation, music, and calls, all wireless. This is convenience you didn't know you needed. Car registration insurance card holder. Stay organized with the car registration and insurance card holder. Slim design fits your glove box perfectly, keeps documents protected, and gives you quick access during checks. Simple organization that matters. Anti-glare sun visor extender. The anti-glare sun visor extender reduces glare and eye strain instantly. Clips on to any visor, fits all cars, and enhances visibility on sunny days. Safer, more comfortable driving in bright conditions. Car emergency tool. Always be prepared with the car emergency tool. Seatbelt cutter, window breaker, flashlight, and more, all in one compact tool. Fits in your glove box for instant access. Safety first, and this could be a lifesaver.